Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn next lesson, the rise of nationalism in Europe. Okay, so what is nation? First, we are going to learn the what is nation. Okay, so a large number of people are mainly common descent, language, history, inhabiting a territory bounded by the defined, limited, and forming the society under one government is called nation. Okay, now let us see this picture. The picture is described what is actually what it is described. So in 1848, Frederick Serio, the French artist, prepared a series of four prints. First print is, shows the people of Europe and America marching a long train and offering homage of the status of liberty as they pass by it, and female figure carry the torch and enlightenment is one hand, and the character of the right of men in the other hand. Okay, on the second one, the earth lies the started reminder of the symbol of absolute institutions, and third one is the people of world or grouped as the distant nations identified through their flag and national customs. And fourth one is leading the procession are USA and Switzerland, are followed the Germany, France, and Austria, Poland, England, Hungary, Russia, everyone. And all from the heavens above, the Christ saint angels at the scenes. The artist symbolized the fraternity among the nation of the world. So next one is the French Revolution and the idea of nations. So first thing is what we are learned from this one, the growth of nationalism in France, and second one is introducing the various measures and practices created the scenes of collective identity among the people of France. Third one is we are going to learn changes of monarchy and establishment of republic, creation of the new assembly. Fourth one, the rise of Napoleon and his reforms revolution help other the people of to the become the nation. That's this we are going to learn in this subtopic. So in 1789, nationalism came with French Revolution, and the political constitution changes lead to the transfer to the sovereignty from monarchy to a body of French citizens. So various measures and practices were introduced, such as idea of the La Party and then the citizens. A French flag, the tricolor was chosen to replace former one. Second thing is the democracy destroyed the French by the Napoleon and Civil Code of 1804, known as Napoleonic Code, did away with all privileges based on the birth. So established equality before the law and secure the right to property. This we are learned from this French Revolution. Next one is the making of nationalism in Europe. So that one, Germany, Italy, and Switzerland were divided into the kingdom, and they ruled had their autonomous territories. So the autocracy and new middle classes dominated to the political and socially. The majority of the population was made up of the peasantry. Industries behind to England in the second half of the 18th century. New social group came to being, a working class population and middle class made up the industrialist, businessman, professionals. So three category of peoples are there. First category, first class, second class, and third class. So what is the liberal of nation stand for? The term of liberalism derives from the Latin root liber, meaning free. The right to vote and get elected by the granted exclusively to property owning the men. Men without property, all the women were excluded from the political rights. In 1834, Customs Union was formed at the initiative and joined the most of the German states. The union abolished tariff barriers, that means taxes, and reduced the number of currency from over 30 to 2. Okay, so next we are going to learn the new conservatism after the 1850, that we can learn to the next class. Okay, children, now we are going to learn the question answers.